Guess what? You wore your jammies inside out. There's no school today. It worked. Is that exciting? Is there a lot of snow? It's still snowing. What do you think?
Okay.
You think it's good?
The other people didn't wear the PJs inside out and they had to go to school.
Maybe. I don't know. I didn't wear my PJs inside out, but I don't have to go to work because you don't have to go to school. All right. Should we start the day? Okay.
That's a snowplow. I actually knew that because I heard it last night. So look at this. Oh,
Careful.
that almost hurt me. My hands. Looking at the snow. See our neighbors back there. So it's more snowing, which you can't see it because it's all white. I'm showing them the grass. Well, Mommy, the grass is still there. Just you see a little hole right there. That's part of the grass. Good morning.
Good morning. Happy Monday. I know we don't normally vlog on a Monday, but Riley, what's today?
A snow day.
A snow day, 'cause it's snowing. Ask me how happy I am about it. Here's the snow. Here's a progress shot of the deck.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to show very hard today. No.
Careful. So, this is where we are. We got a time lapse set up. So we're gonna get a good time lapse since last night of the snow on the deck. We'll kind of see how that comes out. But I might end up sticking a ruler out there. But this is where we are right now.
But I wear my PJs inside out so I don't get school today.
Yeah, no school today. Riley, what do you want to do today?
Build a snowman outside and make snow angels.
Sammy, what do you want to do today?
Snowman.
Snowman? Hootie's getting buried in the snow. Good times. It's our deck owl. So we're going to have some breakfast, figure out what's going on. Supposedly the worst of the snow hasn't come yet, so we'll see. Our recycle bin's buried, so we'll see what. Well, our bin's not buried. The stuff in the bin's buried. We'll see what happens with the snow. We'll see how much heavier it gets. I don't think I'll be going to work today because they haven't plowed the street yet. So we'll get some breakfast and figure out what our plan for the day is.
I know what the plan is for today.
Oh yeah?
Because it's 3-day weekend.
It might be a 4-day weekend. You may not have school tomorrow either.
Yeah. Because of this giant. Then I'll have another snow day. That's snowman, Mama. That's snowman.
Have I mentioned that I hate the snow? And that I would like to move to Florida? Have I mentioned that?
No,
Because I'm tired of this. I don't like this. Not a fan. Anyway, alright, we're going to figure out what our plan for the day is. We'll be back in a little while.
Hi.
Alright, so here's where we are. I think we're starting to follow at a rate of about 2 inches an hour. Daddy's out there shoveling. The snowplow came through and screwed up the end of our driveway. He's been out there 3 times shoveling since last night. So our wonderful neighbor decided to give him a hand with his snowblower at the end of the driveway because the snowplow really screwed us. He's been trying to stay on top of it with the shovel because we don't have a very big driveway. He's been trying to stay on top of it with the shovel, you know, shoveling several times since last night. And every couple of hours, then the snowplow just royally screwed us over. So that's where we are. Daddy's out there shoveling. This is how it looks right now.
And our neighbor's playing.
Our neighbor's giving him a hand with the snowblower. Such a nice guy.
He's a very nice friend to us.
And let's take a look. We'll take a look out the back door here.
I'm looking.
Alright, here's a look out the back deck. Still got our time lapse going. I actually stopped it and started a new one. for today because I think it's going to fall a lot faster today. And we stuck a ruler in the ground. I don't know if you can see it too well. But when I stuck this ruler in the ground, it was on, let me see, I'll open the door a little bit. It was on 7 inches. Ugh. When I stuck the ruler in the ground, it was 7 inches. And now it's going on 9. So that was less than an hour ago. Good times. So that's where we are. We'll keep checking back in. The kids are probably going to go out and play in the snow here pretty soon. So we'll see, but it's coming down pretty good. Okay, we're going to get ready to brave going outside. We're getting snow pants on. Let me see your boots, bud.
No.
No boots? Sam's got his snow boots on. Riley's got her snowsuit on with her boots and her jacket. We're going to get some hats on, some more gloves on.
I got my
Get bundled up.
Sammy first.
Sammy first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, we got to do Sammy first. Alright, so we're going to go out.
Can you put my
Alright, we are geared up. We got hats, we got gloves, we got shirts, we got pants, we got boots, we got jackets. We are ready to brave the snow. Huh?
I'm about to jump right in there.
You can jump right in there? Okay. Alright, we're braving it.
Riley. Riley.
It is
No,
super...
not Riley. Not on the sidewalk.
It is super windy. So I'm just going to take a couple videos of the kids and then I'm putting this camera inside because it's going to get wrecked. We had to upgrade our ruler because, as you can see, our ruler from this morning is completely buried.
Samuel, sit down.
We are at, I don't know if you can see, but we are at 12 inches right now. And it's noon. So, hey, this ruler can go all the way up to 47 inches. So we got some time. All right, it is almost 2 o'clock. Riley's having some fun in the snow. It's getting kind of crazy out there. It started to sleet a little bit. We just saw a weather report that said after this sleet we might get 12 more inches of snow. I hope that's not accurate because I don't think I can take any more of this. But Riley's just having a good old time in the snow. It's great to watch. She's having a lot of fun. end the video with this. This is going to be the last snow check for the day. So that's what we ended up getting. About 13 inches is the final total. So we'll see. It might be a little higher. This is up on the deck, so we had some snow drifts and stuff. So, you know, some areas I know people are saying they got 15 inches, but you know, our last snow check showing about 13 here on the deck. That's what we've been going off of all day. Other than that, doing one last cleaning, hopefully the last one for the night. And you know, this makes 5 for the day, plus 2 last night, so 7 total. And yeah, fun day. That snow pile's pretty high. It's over the car now, right?
Close.
Close to the car. So yeah, good times. So the kids are watching Toy Story. We're gonna wrap up here. We're gonna have some dinner shortly. And yeah, we're watching Toy Story, hanging out, enjoying the rest of the snow day. Hopefully there's school tomorrow. You think there's gonna be school tomorrow, Riley?
No.
No, you don't think so? Sammy, you think there's gonna be school tomorrow?
The bus.
Do the buzz? Yeah.
Sign.
Thanks for having this, hanging out with us on this snow day. Hope you enjoyed the snow. You say goodbye. Riley had fun in the snow, right?
Happy to.
Sammy had fun in the snow? We were not able to build a snowman. The snow was too fluffy. It just doesn't stick. It's not the right kind of snow for a snowman. But Riley did have a snowball fight with her dad. So yeah, we're gonna end the video for today. Thanks for hanging out with us and keeping us company on this snow day. And we hope you had fun and you're staying warm and toasty wherever you are. And we'll see you next time. You say goodbye?
Bye, Felicia.
See you next time. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.